What I've learned over many years of doing this is that somehow in this deeper place where I keep saying your natural intelligence merges with some natural consciousness that's much deeper. Science, since Carl Jung has posed that there is such a collective consciousness, and scientists, cognitive scientists, are beginning to explore this and take it more seriously. It's still early days. I'm not sure as a scientist what I would say about that, but having experienced it, I'm totally sure that we're all connected. And as you relax and let go of all these concerns when you're out in nature and you're just being with nature and opening to nature, you find you just let go and you automatically connect. We are connected also to the planet, to the stars, etc. It's a miraculous feeling and totally unexplainable.